Welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install WinRAR on your Windows PC. Step 1. Download WinRAR. Open your web browser and go to the official WinRAR website. Look for the download section and click on the first available option to start the download. Wait for the file to finish downloading. Step 2. Install WinRAR. Once the file is downloaded, open the installer by double-clicking on it. A setup window will appear. Click Install to start the process. Choose the file types you want WinRAR to handle. You can leave the default settings. Click OK, then Done to complete the installation. Step 3. Extract files with WinRAR. Find any ZIP or RAR archive on your computer. Your files will now be extracted and ready to use. That's it. Now you can easily extract files on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.